Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. We've got to go.
I took it out of the car earlier.
Oh, is it frosting?
Yeah.
Is it freezing? No. We made it.
That's fun. We made it.
Monday, first day of school, guys. 1 whole week to go.
Yep.
Not even. And then it's school holidays.
2 more days, 3 more days. Yeah, today and tomorrow, and then you're picking us up on Wednesday at school, I think. I don't really know.
And then school holidays.
Yeah, school holidays. 2 weeks and a half. I got a carrot.
That'll be good. Well, that's excellent. Kids are at the bus stop. Or on the bus. Didn't sleep overly well last night. Feeling a little bit miserable today, but probably better than yesterday, actually. Good morning. It is the 23rd of September. Much better weather today. Sun is out, but it's windy and a bit chilly. So might be inside jobs in the truck today. I think Leonie was mentioning mowing lawns before.
Yes.
We'll see how the day progresses. Oh, I'm still a bit sick and my brain's a bit mush. Because what's the forecast like?
Rain after lunch.
Oh, yep. So if we don't mow them today, it's going to be a while before we get to mow them.
Yeah.
Oh, well, we'll see how motivated I get to sit on the ride on the lawnmower and use that energy up. Right, let's get... Well, you're hanging washing out still.
Yeah.
It's just never ending, is it?
No. Hopefully we don't get too much rain this afternoon.
Yeah, there's a few black clouds up there.
Don't look at them. They're not there. I'm not looking. Right, painting.
Yeah, it's so nice to see out of the wind.
Might need too much, eh?
That'd be heaps.
First coat done. So that goes up the top. Does it have a magnet thing on it?
No, it's got a spike.
Oh, okay.
So I'll keep the dust away from the paint, eh?
Yeah.
No dustbin on the paint, which is good.
Nope. There it goes.
That one nearly pulled right bloody through. We decided to glue that one because the little plastic screw holes that came with it off Trade Me were very cheap and nasty.
Hopefully that'll work.
Oh, now that one's doing this.
Maybe they're just really, really bad quality.
I think they are bad quality.
Because that was working and now it's not. Maybe we should have a look at the
Motorhome show.
Motorhome show, yeah, for some actual proper decent ones.
We'll have a look for some better ones. Maybe some with a steel backing instead of plastic.
Yeah.
Right, we've got the painting done.
Yeah, so
We made some holes in this cupboard, so at least we can get them open for now.
Well, we could just do that and then get a thing to hook over like that to stop them coming open. Might do 3 coats on this.
Wouldn't hurt, it's going to be a hard wearing place. while you do this, I might go out and whip around and pick up all the stuff off the lawn. 'Cause I can't do anything here.
No, you can't.
I believe this thing made it all the way back up here.
Is that a GoPro playing up, or did you turn it off? Oh. Put my lawn mowing shoes on. What?
Lawn is clear.
Sweet.
One lawn done. Might as well head down to Nana and Granddad's where we've got a couple of hours spare.
Ooh, oh, muddy. Nearly full.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's about a foot from the top.
Holy.
Oh, from the, not the dome.
From the
part.
arch.
Yeah.
That lawn was long.
It was.
We missed it last time we mowed ours, eh?
Yeah.
You turn this on.
No, why would I?
The pressure.
Yeah. Yeah. Pretty full.
Holy.
We've had a lot of rain.
Yeah.
Right, it must be a cup of coffee
I
time.
think it's definitely a cup of coffee. It was hard work mowing lawns.
You got some mail.
Yep, that one's for you.
Oh, yay.
And this might be our rubber edging.
From Timu.
No, from...
No, you got it off Timu. Right. How budget is this one going to be? Uh-oh. Look good.
Don't know yet.
Oh. Nice.
Ooh, it smells like rubber. Smells sticky.
Does it smell sticky, Ben?
Right, so my plan of attack with this was about the right thickness.
Oh, yeah? Does it need to be glued in, or?
I will glue it once we know it's going to work.
Do I put it all the way along and then cut it?
Yep. And it just makes it look like we haven't just cut a hole out of the wall now.
That's not what we did. Well, it's better than what it was.